In order to download ReShade for The Sims 4, the first thing you want to do is you want to open up any web browser like you normally would. For this video, I'm using Google Chrome, and all you want to do is you want to go to the search bar and look up ReShade download just like so. Then please go to the official reshade.me website right over here. It is going to bring you to a page that looks like this. From here, please go ahead and scroll down until you see this section that says download. Now, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on download ReShade right over here. So please go ahead and press on it right over here. Now, you may need to go ahead and give your device permission in order to install ReShade. So please be sure to do that. It's really important that you do give your device permission. All right, and then eventually you should have the ReShade setup.exe file on your device. Now, for clarity purposes, I recommend that you drag and drop it to your desktop right over here just to make things a little bit easier to visualize, and that's so you're able to follow along. I recommend that you do this as well. Okay, now that we have ReShade installed, the next thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you are closed out of the Sims 4. So it is not going to work if you have the Sims 4 currently opened up. So just make sure to go ahead and close it. And then what you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and double click on the reshade.exe file right over here. Then it is going to give you a list of all of the games on your system. Now, what you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and locate the Sims 4. Now, you'll notice that for my instance, I don't see the Sims 4 in this list, and this is a really frequent occurrence. So if you run into a situation like this, please do not worry. But if you do see the Sims 4 over here, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on it. But if you don't see it, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and locate the Sims 4 shortcut on your desktop. You want to right click on it and then press on open file location right over here. Then it is going to open up a folder that looks like this. And what you want to do from here is you want to go to this top section, and you basically want to go ahead and press on Control C in order to copy the game directory. So it's basically going to tell you where in the files the game is actually located. So do Control C, then close out of it. All right, then once you're done with that, open up ReShade one more time, then go ahead and press on Browse. And now what you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and paste in the Sims 4 directory that we got previously. So yep, go ahead and paste it in, and here it is. Now, what you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and locate the option that says ts4 underscore x64.exe. So here it is. And once you see this option, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on open right over here. Then go ahead and press on next like so. You may need to go ahead and give your device permission in order to make modifications. I apologize if my screen was black, but eventually you're going to get a screen that looks like this. And what you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and select on Microsoft DirectX 1011/12. Okay, so make sure that is selected, then go ahead and press on next just like so, then go ahead and press on next. And now it is going to begin installing ReShade on the Sims 4 for you. Once it is finished installing, please go ahead and press on finish. What you want to do from there is you want to go ahead and open up the Sims 4 like you normally would. You'll now notice that we will get a brand new menu on the top right over here. It is really important that you also set your Sims 4 game mode to the windowed version so that you're able to see that menu, because when I first tried downloading ReShade, it just didn't appear, and that's because I had my Sims 4 all the way on full screen. So to change it to window screen, go ahead and just press on these three dots, select on game options, go to graphics right over here, go to graphics, and where it says display type, make sure that windowed is selected. But anyways, what you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and just load into your Sims 4 game like you normally would. All right, so now that we're in the Sims 4 game, the next thing you want to do is you want to press on the home key on your keyboard. So go ahead and press on it just like so, and then it is going to give you a little bit of a tutorial on how to use ReShade. So I already went through the tutorial. You also do have the option to skip the tutorial, but afterwards it is going to give you a menu that looks like this, where you could basically go ahead and select between all of these different effects. So let's say we want to go ahead and add a little bit of bloom to our game. We could do so by selecting on bloom HDR, or we can go ahead and select on this bloom over here. Like, there's a lot of great options. And then all you need to do is you need to press on escape to exit the menu. And then from here, you're able to go ahead and play the Sims 4 with ReShade. At any point in time, you can go ahead and press on the home key on your keyboard in order to make some adjustments if you really need to. And again, ReShade is pretty extensive. There's a lot of things that you could do. So feel free to go ahead and explore, look at all the guides and stuff like that. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.